Monkey wake up and feel something not right. He look down and notice his banana still sleeping. No hardwood, this very bad sign. Monkey feel tired even though he sleep 8 hours. This first sign, monkey testosterone is low. Testosterone is the foundation of male monkey. When it low, everything fall apart. Monkey feel tired all day. He gets sad and emotional for no reason. He go apeshit over small things. And he feel no desire for the beautiful lady monkey. So monkey do what every monkey do. He change his diet. He buy the supplement. He try everything. But his testosterone still in the gutter. Why? Because monkey missing the one silent thing quietly killing his testosterone every single day. It not sugar. It not soy. It is cortisol. And today, monkey teach you how to stop it. First, monkey must understand the enemy. Testosterone and cortisol are two brothers who fight over the same food. Both get made from the same building block called pregnenolone. When monkey stressed, the body scream emergency and steal that building block to make cortisol instead of testosterone. Scientists call this the pregnenolone steal. So every time monkey stressed, the body literally choose cortisol over his manhood. High cortisol mean low T. Simple as that. And here the real problem. Monkey brain cannot tell the difference between a real tiger and a scary email, a deadline, an argument, doom scrolling at 2 a.m. To the body, it all looked like a lion is chasing monkey. So monkey stressed all day, every day, and cortisol never come down. This called chronic stress. And it's the number one thing draining monkey testosterone. But good news, monkey can fix it, and it's simple. Here how. Number one, stop the morning panic. When monkey grab his phone first thing and scroll bad news, he spike cortisol before he even out of bed. He start the day already losing. Instead, monkey leave the phone for 30 minutes. He go outside. He gets sunlight in his eyes. Morning light fix the rhythm, lower cortisol, and raise testosterone naturally. Number two, stop overtraining. Monkey think more gym mean more testosterone. Wrong. If monkey train 2 hours every day with no rest, the body stays stuck in stress mode and cortisol stay high. This why monkey see no gains. So monkey lift heavy, but keep it under 1 hour and take rest days. Rest is when the body actually build. Number three, stop the doom scroll. Every time monkey scroll fear and drama, the brain react like real danger. Little spike, all day. By night cortisol so high, monkey cannot even sleep. Vicious cycle. So monkey set a hard cutoff. No scrolling 1 hour before bed. The brain need to feel safe to make tea. Number four, lower cortisol on purpose. It no come down by itself, so monkey must tell the body it's safe. Easiest way is slow breathing. Monkey breathe in for 4 seconds, out for 6. The long exhale flip the body into rest mode and crush cortisol in minutes. Even 10 minutes a day make big difference. Monkey also walk in nature, no phone, just trees and sky. Ancient signal that monkey is safe. Number five, fix the sleep. Cortisol should be high in morning to wake monkey, low at night so he sleep. But chronic stress flip it backward. Wired at night, dead in the morning. To reset it, monkey sleep same time every day, in full darkness, and no caffeine after 2 p.m. When the rhythm fixed, the testosterone monkey making sleep go way up. So monkey learned that the thing destroying his testosterone is not some food or supplement. The real villain is stress, with cortisol high all day. Stop the morning panic. Stop overtraining. Stop the doom scroll. Breathe slow. Fix the sleep. Monkey do this for 2 weeks. He wake up with energy. The weights feel light again. The fire come back. Monkey look in the mirror, flex and think, wow, today is a good day. With that, the monkey is signing off.